People coming to our lives for a reason. Briefly something we must learn. We are led to those who help us most to know. If we let them and we help them in return, well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I am who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that makes a boulder halfway to the moon. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I do you, I have